Okay, we will answer this one. Solve for y if 5y minus 4 equals 12 minus y. So, ang gagawin natin dito, pwede natin i-apply yung addition property of equality, pwede na natin i-transpose. So, yung 5y, si negative y, transpose natin sa left side, magiging positive y. From negative, magiging positive. So, equals, kopyahin natin yung 12. Itong negative 4, transpose natin sa right side, magiging plus 4 or positive 4. Then, i-combine like terms natin yan. So, 5y plus y is 6y equals 12 plus 4 is 16. Then, i-divide natin both sides by the coefficient of y which is 6. Okay, divide natin yan. Then, cancel natin yung 6. So, naiwan dito y. Then, 16 over 6. Ngayon, i-reduce natin yan or i-divide natin yan. 16 divided by 6, this is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Then, 6 minus 2 is 4. So, therefore, sa baba, y equals 2 and 4 over 6. Since yung 4 over 6 ay ma-reduce pa yan, divide natin yan by 2. Si 6 din, i-divide natin yan by 2. So, kita pa? So, dito sa taas konti, ha? So, y is equal to 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2 over 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, y is equal to 2 and 2/3. Letter A is the correct answer.